Hello friends, welcome to this amazing lecture for animation in Flet, and we are going to see this lecture. We are going to change the positions of some containers. So as you can see, we've already started with the code here, and what we are going to do is we are going to create 3 containers of different colors. So let's say we have the first container as C1, and C1 is equals to FT container with 50, height 50, the background color is red. You can select any color you want. Now the same thing for C2 and C3 as well. So we can just change this here, C2 and C3. Let's just change the colors so that we can visualize them properly. And also we have where they are exactly placed now. After that, so we have to have top is equals to, and then we have top is equals to, we have 60 on the background color is like. After that we have left is equals to, so we have left is equals to 0. Let's say left is 0, and then again comma, and after that the background color is, let's say, purple. Yes, purple, and the last one is blue. First is red, blue, and purple. Okay, so the animated position here is, let's say, 500. The last one again, the animated position is that, and this position, or these two things we need here. So after the background color, let's just paste them and change the position. So let's just make this as 160. Yeah, 160. Left is 0. Okay, so the width and height is same exactly for everyone. Now once we've done with all the containers, we just start with the position of the container. So we have animate the container, animate underscore container, and in the animate function there is some event of a click or button click, and then we have C1 dot top. So now what we're doing is we're changing the positions of the containers. So now the C1 dot top position changes to 20, C1 dot left position changes whatever to 20 again, or you can just mark this as 250. Then you can select any values you want. Then C2 dot top, and then for C2 left, C3 top, and C3 left. So you can just same thing for everything, for all the containers now. So you've just placed these values here. Now what we need to do is we need to add the values in the page. So page dot add, and in the add, what we do is we now stack all the containers. So ft dot stack, we use this function stack, but not stack, it's stack. And then here we pass a list of all the containers, C1, C2, C3, and on these all will go. So it's just that the height is equals to 250, and we close this. After that we have one more thing to be added, that is again the elevated buttons. So we have elevated button, and on animate change the position. So animate, again animate, and then we have comma on click is equals to, what will it do? It will call the animate container function. The animate offset, it's animate container. Yeah, that one, animate container. Completed the code, and then we finally end the application. So what is it? ft.app target is equals to main. That's it. And then start. Just complete this, finish it off, and run the application. Let's see what we get here in the application. We have, okay, we have some 3 boxes here, and then when we animate them, okay, they change their positions. So we will play around with this again, and in the comment section you can mention what you can try, or you can paste your code there and you can tell me that you have tried this stuff. So go ahead guys and bring up your cool ideas and try this code out. Thank you so much.